Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper. Here is Zena the Glamper Camper. Right now we're in the middle of driving from Arizona to Iowa, and we are just stopped in Gallup, New Mexico, and we are going to be installing an AnyCall Cell Phone Booster. We just wanted to do a quick kind of how-to, and according to the directions, it's super easy. So there is the antenna with the magnet on top, and now according to the directions, we just need to attach the inside antenna. Now we've got the outside antenna plugged in and the inside antenna. And we aren't gonna mount this just because we don't wanna leave a sticky residue anywhere. We're just gonna let it chill out. And the next step is putting this on. And I've just gotta figure out where it goes. And we will just plug it in. And there should be a plug-in somewhere on here. And then we will be able to hide all these cords once we get going. And then once we've got the camper turned on, I'll just click the power button. So yeah, let's see if it works and let's see if we get better cell service. To finish up, all we did was took the wires and wrapped them through the weather stripping. And we've got everything just popped up there for us. It has already improved our signal. We've gone from 1 bar to 2, so we will see how it works. So we're right on the Texas and Oklahoma border, and our cell phone booster was working absolutely fantastic. Normally on this trip we'd have 2-3 hours at a time with 0 cell service. We've had 3 to 4 bars the entire time, except for maybe 10 minutes of no service. And we were messing with the plug-in a little bit, and we blew the fuse in the plug-in. So now Mr. Cameraman is currently inside looking for a new fuse. Well, we made it all the way to Meade, Kansas. We just camped in their city park, and man, is it freezing. It is so cold out here. But the cell phone booster worked really well the whole way. Definitely check it out and have a great one.